Hey, have you been sitting at your desk all day slouching and need a break from staring at your screen? I have a couple stretches for you to try. If your screen's at an angle like mine, your neck might be a little achy. To fix that, go ahead and do a couple neck stretches. First is to look down, tuck your chin into your chest and just hold it for about 30 seconds. After you do those 30 seconds, go ahead and tilt your head to the right as far as you can stretch it and see if you can hit your head to your shoulder. Hold that for 30 seconds, switch sides to your left. Hold that for 30 seconds and then go ahead and dip your head back. Put that chin towards the ceiling and hold that for another 30 seconds. A couple things to keep in mind: have your back against the back of your seat so that your spine is stabilized, and keep your feet flat on the floor and your arms should be somewhere in front of you. I don't know about you, but I like to slouch when I type sometimes and my shoulders get a little bit achy. So if your shoulders are achy too, go ahead and sit back on the edge of your chair again. You can do this standing if you'd rather, but I'm going to do it sitting today. You're going to take your right arm, cross it across your body, and hook it with your left arm. Next you're going to do is pull this shoulder over here, your right shoulder, down and back, and then push and pull outward with your left arm. You're going to feel this stretch right here on the back of your shoulder. You're going to hold that for 30 seconds, and then switch arms. While you're still sitting on the edge of your chair, go ahead and do a chest stretch. What we're going to do is take both of our arms, put them behind us, and hook them together at your hands. And then push your chest out towards these in front of you or up towards the ceiling as well. Pull those shoulders down and hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. Your next stretch can be a tricep stretch, so the back of your upper arm. What you're going to do is take one of your arms and put it over your head. You want to hit it so it's about over your scapula on your opposite side, so my right hand's going to be on top of my left scapula. You can take your other hand, so this is going to be my left, and you can take it and put it on top of your right elbow and push down. Or if you're flexible enough, you can go ahead and hook it behind and get your fingers together and pull. Hold that for 30 seconds and then switch arms. So I'm going to do this way this time. And hold this side for 30 seconds as well. Are your hamstrings tight or your back a little achy? I have a good stretch for you. Go ahead and move to the edge of your seat and pop your feet out so that your legs are as straight as you can get them. What you're going to do is pull your toes up towards the ceiling, and you're going to stretch down as far as you can to reach your toes. You're going to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. A couple things to keep in mind are once you start to bend your knees, that's too far. You want to keep your knees locked straight. Also, if you're in a rolling chair like I am, make sure it's back against something so that it doesn't fall out behind you and you don't get hurt. And then also, once again, toes to the ceiling, keep them flexed like that, and give it a good old stretch for about 30 seconds. The last stretch we're going to do today is called a figure four. So what you're going to do is get your chair up against the back of your desk, your filing cabinet, or a wall. Over there, it won't roll out from behind or underneath you. You're going to scooch to the edge of your seat again. You're going to take one foot and put it at a 90 degree with your knee with your foot flat on the floor. You're going to take your opposite foot and cross it to your knee. You're going to take your opposite hand to that knee, and you can cross it and grab your chair or your armrest if you need extra support. And then just push through this arm to get this stretch down here on your back, and then down here you can push on your thigh to get this stretch in your hip flexor. If you're not flexible enough to completely reach over, it's okay to just go as far as you can right here on this knee. You're gonna hold that for 30 seconds and then do the opposite side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Hold on to the armrest for support and push through that elbow, locking it against that knee. Try these stretches out 2 or 3 times a day whenever you need that break from work. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our YouTube channel for more content like this.